We'll guide you through how to use the Claude prompting guide effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. You'll find the prompting guide under the Resources section on the main dashboard. Click on it to open. The guide provides detailed instructions and examples to help you craft more effective prompts for Claude. Start by reviewing the sections that cover basic prompt structures. These will give you a good foundation for how Claude interprets and responds to different types of prompts. Pay special attention to the examples provided, as they show you what a well-constructed prompt looks like. Next, try creating a simple prompt yourself. Use the guide's examples as a template, and don't be afraid to experiment. You can type your prompt directly into the input box on the Claude interface. After entering your prompt, hit the Submit button to see how Claude responds. If the response isn't quite what you expected, go back to the guide and check the troubleshooting section. It offers tips on refining your prompts for better results. Remember to consider the context and specificity of your prompt. A more detailed prompt usually gives you a more accurate and useful response from Claude. And don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it right. Practice makes perfect. By regularly referring back to the prompting guide and adjusting your approach, you'll get the hang of it in no time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.